So we can start this thing off with a backup. I'm using Google backups, and you can use WhatsApp backups, whatever you want. Then after that you can just boot into recovery mode. I have advanced reboot, as you see. I'm using a custom ROM. This is MIUI. So by the way, I have TWRP recovery installed. There it is. So we can start by wiping and go to advanced wipe and wipe cache, cache, data, internal storage, system, and everything except the micro SD card, of course. Then you can just swipe to wipe. So after wiping, it's important that you need the 059 version firmware for this ROM to work properly. So you can first flash the Pi firmware version 059. So I have it right here. I'll give you the link in the description. So you can just swipe to confirm the flash. Okay, now that's done. You can install the ROM. So Havoc-OS. I will just quickly forward this video. So after installing Havoc-OS, you can just go back and flash the gaps file for Google Play services. So as you can see, I have open gaps. Just flash it. Now that we have installed Google Play services, what we need now is Magisk, because it's a custom ROM, and if you need to use banking apps or such things, we need Magisk. So we'll use Magisk to root our device. I'm using Magisk 20.1. that's the latest build as of now. So there's Magisk. Now actually that's all the files we need to flash for now. You do not need to change the kernel as of now. You can just reboot the system. You can change the kernel after some time if you don't feel like, you know, the inbuilt kernel is really good. I heard that the battery backup with this kernel is pretty good. So we'll just wait for our device to boot up. Now that our device is finally booted up, you can just select the language and click on start. Just a moment while I set up my Wi-Fi network. This might take a while. I backed up my device to the Google Drive, so I'll just restore the backup from the cloud. I'll just sign in with my username and password. It will ask for my previous screen lock. If I enter that, it will be restored. So Havoc-OS is finally set up. So you can see we have very little bloatware here and only the minimal apps required to run the system. It's restoring my backup. Okay, I'll just show you through the settings. The about phone, as you can see, is Havoc-OS 3, Android version 10 with a number security patch. This is the latest version of Havoc as of now. What else? So what do we have? I think I will just enable the Android 10 gestures here. I'm not a fan of this 3-button navigation. Okay, so first I will change the animations because I don't like 1x animations. I will just change it to 0.5x or something. Yes, 1x is laggy, I don't know why. It's the default. Okay, here's a configuration center. As you can see, we have an ambient display here. Always on when charging and like that. Okay, as you can see, we have the Pixel 4 stuff like the hand wave, you know, that pulse and notification setups. And what do we have? We have status bar settings. We can customize the status bar. We have the network speed. Okay, I'll just change the battery percentage. Okay, then what? Showing this. Wow, they have a gaming mode. I didn't know that. Let's check it out. Oh, okay. I will block the notifications, disable automatic brightness. Okay, that's cool. I really like blocked notifications. I really need that for games like PUBG, you know, when playing and you. Okay, I like the new gestures. This gestures is really amazing, man. It's just like MIUI, but it's more fluid, I guess. Yes, it is. What else? What else we have? We can customize the quick settings too. Navigation bar. Animations. Sure, we could control the animations from here without going to the developer options. Okay, we have aggressive idle drain. Okay, that will come in handy when I need. Okay, lock screen. What do we have? Okay, buttons. Okay, I will have to study the settings in this, man. There's so much customization for a stock Android experience. I don't know. It's like stock Android plus a lot of customization. This is the best UI I've seen. Okay. The ROM takes about 10 gigs of storage. We can control the microphone and game stuff. Okay, I don't like send motions. I'll just turn it off. I'm not a fan of send motions. So I think that's that. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. As always, peace out.